Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and creating a safe environment to work in. Backup saves to USB or cloud. Once done, make sure the Ps4 is completely powered off, not in rest mode. You need the DualShock 4 and its USB cable handy because you will reconnect the controller in safe mode. Don't rush this. Preparation prevents lost data. Now hold the power button for the next step. This is the single reliable method to enter safe mode and requires precise timing. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button. You'll hear one beep immediately and a second beep about 7 seconds later. When that second beep sounds, release the button. This is the exact cue to boot into safe mode. Next, connect the DualShock 4 with the USB cable and press the PS button to wake it. Wireless won't work here. You'll now see Safe Mode menu options. Choose the one that matches your goal and understand each option before confirming to avoid unintended data loss. To complete the process, pick the Safe Mode action that fits your problem. Restart or rebuild database for corrupt data and slow menus, initialize for severe software issues, and reinstall system software only when you have the official update on USB. After executing, allow the PS4 time to finish. Do not interrupt power. If safe mode fails to appear, test another USB cable and try a different power outlet and confirm the second beep timing. Wrong timing is the usual reason the console won't enter safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.